welcome to my videos. So guys, every day a number of temporary foreign workers are getting their status expired. In other terms, their work permits are getting expired here in Canada, with like lot of protest already taken place, lot of demands already taken place. I saw even some town halls were also conducted. But my question is it gonna really work? I don't think so. But just want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. This is just my personal opinion, and if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in my opinion, this is not going to happen. Government is not going to relax work permit rules for now. The reason is pretty simple. If you see the mood around the country, whole country is in the anti-immigration mood. So, with rise in crime, where most of the people blame these on international students, or you can say foreigners, definitely this program government is going to think a few times before they even touch. Second thing, government has a target to reduce the number of temporary residents, right? So who are these people they are targeting? International students they have already capped, so fewer new international students are coming in. Those who are already here, they have difficulties, and those who are getting their work permit expired with no hope of extending it, or no chance of getting picked up in high scores that come under express entry, what are they going to do? Most of them will have their status expired. Some will claim refugee, although I don't recommend it. Some of them will buy LMIs. So, but the risk remains the same. If you're buying LMI from someone, are you really gonna get it? There are too many scams happening over there also. People have paid money for LMI and then other party has vanished. It has happened, and you have no one to blame, just yourself. So crime is too much, guys. So I would suggest that if your status is getting expired, go back and then come back with fresh energy, but don't do anything illegal that would backstab you, because you have to maintain your legal status whatever happens. So if you are not able to make it now, go back and then come back with a new strategy, new plan, but don't do anything illegal, because if you do once, you're gonna pay its price for long. That's what I would say, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.